Hello, this is my final project. I want to show how it's working. But then I have a challenge with the Google Chrome, so I'm going to use the Microsoft Edge. I think that is showing a clear picture of what I want. If I use the uh, Google Chrome, it gives me a kind of a blurred view, which is not good here. So it only works on, on Windows Incognito. It loads correctly, and equally, if I use Microsoft Edge, it works correctly. So I will use Microsoft Edge to show how it works. So this is the search icon. If I search there, Toyota, I think it will bring several options, and then I can be able to navigate to the specific car and see the details being depicted there in the vehicle summary. If I search something that is wrong, like let me search like John. It gives me an error message. It did not find the results that are matching. Let me search something else. Jeep. It gives me the results there. Let me search again. Let me search for which car. Let me see if it's gonna search. Let me search for so it's a number of results that I can see there. I can search one. Sure enough, it gives me the options available. So I think my search icon is working correctly. The search now, it gives me that correctly. Thank you.